He'll come up in just a minute. Where is it? It's been splashing. Where's the water?
There it is. Look, here it comes. Here it comes.
See if you can catch it. See if you can catch it, Kinley. See if you can catch the water.
Here it comes. Look at it.
See if you can catch the water.
Spider. Where's the water? Say, come on, water.
Walk over to this one.
Look at the corner. You see that spider? Ooh, that's a good one. Look at that big old spider.
Well, not the spider in the water.
The spider right where the water's going to come up. Here comes the water. There it is. Look. Look.
Well, it's not coming up like it usually does. Well, look at Mimi and say cheese again.
Cheese.
That's good. Thank